Mom, get the egg. What are we gonna put them in?
A bowl.
Okay, I'll get a bowl.
You get the bowl. You crack it, Mom?
Oh, you crack it.
No. No, I have the boulder. I have the boulder.
Open the butter and put it in the bowl.
Mom, crack the egg.
You crack the egg.
No, you. I have boulder.
Put it in the bowl.
Nope.
Open the butter and put it in the bowl.
You open the butter, Daddy. You open the butter, Daddy.
All right,
and
hold it right
drop
here. Hold it right here by the paper. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You didn't hold on. Shake, shake, shake.
Next.
What's next?
Next is
This.
you crack it, Mom.
You crack it.
No, my hand there. Get wet.
Your hands get wet with the egg?
Yeah.
Can you try it?
I need to wash my hands and get them off.
All right, we'll crack the egg first and then wash your
You
hands.
crack the egg. You crack the egg.
Gotta have clean hands, right? All right, here you go.
No, Mom, you crack it. Daddy's cracking. Look, it's the egg. Now it's next. Next is
Very hot, be careful.
oh yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
High fives all around.
How long do we tell Google to set our timer for?
3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Go say 3 minutes.
Hey Google, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes. Starting now.
Go say 3 minutes. Hooray!
Alright, ask Mom for help.
Help, Mom.
How can Mom help you?
Now you open it.
She don't have no oven mitts now.
You open it, Mom.
Say, Dad help.
Dad, help. Okay. Let's
What are we doing?
clean.
Cooking? Should we get them out?
Yep.
Scoot back, it's very hot. Ready? Whoa, those are so beautiful. Look at that. Get your oven mitt. Hold it. Help me push it up. Put it up on the thing. Push, push, push. Alright.
Now
What did we make?
You see how beautiful?
Cookies.
Come here.
Cookies.
What color are they? What color?
Blue, green, yellow,
What color is that?
pink.
Alright.
Pink on the top.
Pink's on the top.
Oh yeah.
Right. Say, thanks for cooking with Lucas.
Thanks for cooking with this.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy
Happy Easter.
cheese.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy dear
Okay.
cheese.